Alright, well, this is going to be a tutorial on how to make custom blood splatter for Halo Custom Edition and put it in game. I will not be putting it literally in game, but I will tell you everything. I will show you everything up to Sapien. I won't do Sapien, but I'll tell you how to do it, and I can tell you how to put it in game. And what you'll need to have is you'll need to have Gimp. You can download that at gimp.org, I believe it is. If you don't already have it, it's free. It's a really good program. You can use other Photoshop, like things like Photoshop or Coral Paint or whatever you want to use, but it'll be a lot easier if you have the Gimp, because that's what I'm using. It'll be easier for you to follow along. And you'll need to have Tool, and I'll show you both Tool and Tool++, and you'll need to have Cornman's version of Gorilla. So if you just go ahead and open up Gimp, File, New, make it 256 by 256, or File 12 by File 12, or anything that's a power of 2. But I'm just going to go with 256 by 256. Create a new layer. I'll call it blood. Then pick a red. I'll just try to hurry up. Just pick any red you like. Be for a good color for blood. And just undo. Oh, okay. Do the airbrush. I had the paintbrush. Get airbrush tool, and then go sparks, and just kind of go around like this. Just kind of paint around randomly. And what we'll do now is lock in the transparency, or lock in the alpha channel, and fill the foreground color. Now it has a little bit of a dark red. Unlock, go to colors, go down the curves, change the channel to alpha, and then kind of put in a curve that you think looks good. I'll try to make it as much of a straight line as I can so there's not so much blurriness to it. It's more like a pool of blood, so there's like a bunch of splotches and blurriness everywhere. But okay, you can make it however you like. Go back to the paintbrush tool. Make a new layer. Call it dark blood. Pick a darker color of red for the blood, for the darker blood. Kind of go down the middle with your airbrush tool. The middle of the pool of blood. And go ahead and lock in the alpha channel. Go ahead and fill the foreground color. As you can see, there's a little bit of a overlay with the white and the dark red right there. So what we'll do is, first of all, just go to colors. So unlock, go to colors, curves, change the channel to alpha again. Kind of bring it in like this, but not so sharp this time. You want it to be a little bit blurry actually. So that's kind of blending in with the lighter red. Now you're going to go to the eraser tool, go to this, kind of just go around and erase the ones that are touching the white, because that doesn't look very good. This doesn't to me. Might to you. If it does to you, more power to you. Go ahead and have it like that. Okay. That's pretty good. Now what we're going to do now is open a new layer. Call it Splatter. I spelled it wrong, but I don't care. Go to airbrush, change it back to sparks, change the scale down to about 20 something, 26, 22, whatever. Change your rate down to about 50, and put the pressure up to about 70, 72, fine. Whatever you think. If you're, okay, edit, undo. Don't forget to add jitter to this. Put it up to about 150. and then kind of go around the edge of the red, so you can get kind of like a splat, you know, little dots. Just kind of go ahead and get that however you like. This will be good for me. And lock in transparency. Let's go back to that red we had before. Make it a little bit lighter. And fill with foreground color. And now what we're going to do is go back, unlock the alpha channel, or colors, curves, and now we're going to go back to alpha channel and put in a steep curve like we did before, because we want little tiny splotches. We don't want like gigantic splotches. They're blurry. They don't look very good. Alright, now when you go to the eraser tool again, go to circle 11. Kind of erase the ones that are touching the edge, the ones that you don't like. Or if you see like a bunch that you don't really want a lot of splatter because this doesn't look natural. So just kind of go around and erase randomly. And make sure if there's anything touching the edge to erase that too. Go to this, or some blood. Erase the ones that's touching the edge right there. Just kind of go through all the layers and delete and erase the ones that are touching the edge. You don't want to touch the edge because when you're in game, you can see the line and it doesn't look real. Okay, go ahead and kind of erase that too. And that's good for right now. We'll just go ahead and save this as, wait, merge layers. Merge visible layers. Merge. And save as. Go to, okay, we're already in Halo Custom Edition. If you're not there, go to C drive, Program Files, Microsoft Games, and go to Halo Custom Edition. Go to Data, Effects, Decals. I want to make a new folder. I want to call it Blood. And go inside this new folder. Okay, another new folder, and I'll call it Bitmaps. And go inside this folder, and we'll save our file in this folder. We'll call this Blood Splatter .tiff. Make sure it's a .tiff, or it won't compile right in Tool. No compression. And now we have that, we can just go ahead and close everything out, or close Gimp out. Now we're going to open up Tool. I'll show you both ways of how to do this. Okay, we're going to go type in Tool, Bitmaps, Effects, dash, Decals, dash, Blood, dash, Bitmaps. And if you get the error, tool beta.map or whatever it is, yeah, tool beta.map, yeah, that always says that. I don't even know what that is, but just go ahead and okay, close that out because it did it right. I'll go ahead and show you how you would do it in Tool. Go to Bitmaps. I mean, it's pretty much the same thing. It's just Tool++ has a better interface. User friendly, I guess. Just go ahead and navigate it to where your folder is. Halo Custom or Program Files, Microsoft Games, Halo Custom Edition. It should start there. Just go ahead and Data, Effects, Decals, Blood, Bitmaps. Okay. Now Run Tool. There, it made it again. Tool command completed. Okay. X out of Tool++. Open up Corman. new tag. This will be a decal tag. Okay. We're going to just type in what I tell you to type in. It'll be right. Okay. 0.15 by 0.15. Change all these zeros into ones. Change the lifetime to 80 or 180, and decay time to 20. Shader, the frame buffer blend function, change to multiply, and change your map to effects, decals, blood, bitmaps. There. And change your sprite extent to 16. I'm not really positive what that does, but in the original tag it was 8, but I don't know if this has anything to do with the pixel size. I'm just guessing it does, because there's pixels right there. But since it's double the size of the last picture, because 256 is the one we did, 256 by 256, and the one that Bungie made for the game itself was half the size of that, so I'm just doubling it. If you go in game and see something wrong, just go ahead and change it back to 8. Make sure to change this back to 8 if you see anything wrong, see if it helps any. Okay, we're going to save this tag as. Save tag as. Go in your effects, decals, blood. And I'm just going to create a new folder and call it decals. And save it as blood splatter .decal, and close out, open. You can open any projectile you want for any weapon, but I'm just going to go open up the sniper rifle because I like the sniper rifle. Go to sniper bullet .projectile. Okay, go down to material responses, cyborg armor, open. Make sure you open the effect right here, and go down. Wait, go to, where's it at? Go to parts, blood splatter. We're going to change this. We're going to change that. Go to blood and decals, and we're going to use the decal that we just created. And then save current tag, close, and go ahead and close this too. And now what you would do is you would open up Sapien and spawn a sniper rifle, or go into any scenario you have, spawn sniper rifle, save it, go online, give the map to one of your buddies, and shoot him with a sniper rifle, and you can see his blood on the ground that's in the shape that you just now made. You can create it however you like. You can make elite blood or flood blood or grunt blood or anything you like, hunter blood, anything. Just change the colors to match it. And if you have any comments or suggestions, just go ahead and tell me, and I'll be sure to respond to you. If you have any tips on how to make my blood a little bit better, I know I did it really quick, but I know it's still messed up. So if you have anything, tell me. Just go ahead, and I'll respond. Yeah, if you need any help or anything, just contact me on Xfire. My Xfire is, when it loads, Omen of Sia, OMENOFSCIA. And that's it. I hope you have fun with your blood. And I'm sorry I cannot show you this when my graphics card isn't good enough, so can't even see it if I wanted to. But yeah. Thanks. Hope you learned something.